Good morning. Let's look at minute 99. Write the correct present and past tense form in each sentence. If you look at the top here, let's circle this side. It says present tense. That means it's happening right now. If you look at this side, it says past tense. That means it already happened. So let's look at the present tense side. And actually, I'm going to go all the way to the bottom of the present tense. So we're not going to do past tense right now. We're just going to do present tense. Right now, she wrote on the board. That means she already did it, so that's not it. Or she writes on the board. She is doing that right now. My dad flew that plane. That means he already did it. Or my dad is flying that plane. That means he is doing it right now. I speak too loudly, or I spoke too loudly. Spoke tells me I already did it. Speak tells me that I am doing it right now. Paul throws the trash away for his mom, or Paul threw the trash away for his mom. Threw means it already happened, so if it's present tense happening right now, it should be Paul throws the trash away for his mom. Julio is read the newspaper. Julio is reading the newspaper. Julio is doing it right now, so Julio is reading the newspaper. Now we're going to go to the other side that looks at past tense. Past tense means it already happened. I wrote my grandmother a letter. That means I already did it. The bird flew into the window. That means it already did it. In the past, it already happened. A famous artist spoke at my school. They already came and spoke, and now they're gone. He threw my favorite toy in the pool. He already did it. It's already in the pool. I read a funny story yesterday. Read. Now here we have a clue word that tells us that it is a past tense. But if you look at the sentence above, it does not. So you kind of have to know if you're going to do past tense, it already happened, or if you're going to stay in present tense and it's happening right now. Turn the paper over, please, for the math side. The baseball field has 4 rows of bleachers. 22 people can sit in each row. How many people can sit in bleachers? Well, there's 22 people in the first row, 22 people in the second row, 22 people in the third row, and 22 people in the fourth row. And I'm going to add them all together. 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. There are 88 people that can fit on the bleachers. 56 divided by 7 is 8. And I know 7 times 8 is 56. If you don't know that, you need to make out 7 circles. 3 feet equals 1 yard. How many are 8 yards? Well, I'm going to go over here. I'm going to write it out. 3 feet is 1 yard. 3 plus 3 is 6, so 6 feet are 2 yards. 7, 8, 9. 9 feet are 3 yards. 10, 11, 12. 12 feet are 4 yards. 13, 14, 15. 15 feet are 5 yards. 16, 17, 18. 18 feet are 6 yards. 19, 20, 21. 21 feet are 7 yards. 22, 23, 24. 24 feet are 8 yards. So each time I'm adding by 3 until I get to 24 feet. I could also do it by saying 3 times 8 equals 24. Either way, I'm going to get to 24 feet. 34 times 2. 34 plus 34. 4 plus 4 is 8. 3 plus 3 is 6. Or I could do 4 times 2 is 8. 3 times 2 is 6. Either way, I get 68. A half dollar. Well, $1 is 4 quarters. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 quarters if I have a whole dollar. So half of that would be how many quarters? 2 quarters. 6 tenths. 6 is the numerator, 10 is the denominator. 1/2. 1 is the numerator, 2 is the denominator. 2/5. 2 is the numerator, 5 is the denominator. Now I'm going to look at how much time has passed. 5:15 to 10:30. I actually want to see your lines drawn out so that you can show me you're starting at 5:15. We go 1 hour to 6:15. 1 hour to 7:15. 1 hour to 8:15. I can keep going. I'm going to 10:30. 1 hour to 9:15. 1 hour to 10:15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours. Now I got to go to 10:30. Okay? 10:15. I can count up to 10:30. 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, which is 15 minutes. Or I can know on a clock when I'm at 10:15 and I go to 10:30 that that's 5, 10, 15 minutes. 7:30 to 9:40. I start at 7:30 and I go 1 hour to 8:30. 1 hour to 9:30. Can't go anymore, so that's 2 hours. 30 to 40 is 10 minutes. Show your teacher your paper, please. Put it in your cubby and go to Lexia Core 5.